You frozen back?
Why do you go forward instead of going back?
I have no idea. What?
It would make more sense.
Kenzie? I really think she's frozen.
Yeah. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
You gonna play? Like, I don't know about all this.
She don't like that.
You want the hood off? What are you doing? Silly girl. Hey, you do know I'm recording, right? Kidsy!
Are you gonna walk or she's gonna...
She's getting tired.
Look at her leaning.
Aww. What are you doing?
Come here.
You take Heather's hand?
Come on.
Start walking in the
No,
snow?
no.
Oh no! Oh no! There you go!
Here, let's fix your hat.
She's like, man, I don't know about all this.
Well, you gotta have the hat on. Your ears will get cold, doesn't it?
Kenzie!
Here, ready? Let's go. Ho, ho, ho.
She's like, what's going on?